Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Onjikongari. I'm a CNA lab technologist and aesthetic assistant based in Nairobi, Kenya. In today's video, I'll be talking about dental instruments 101. If you like this kind of content, kindly consider to like, share and subscribe. Without wasting much time, let us jump right into today's topic. When you talk about dental instruments, we talk about different instruments used for different procedure. If you have you want to do extractions, there are instruments that you'll use for extractions. These instruments are called forceps. If you want to examine and know what is the problems when it comes to this particular tooth, you'll use a diagnostic set. If you want maybe to do filling or root canal, you use something we called filling set. We have even dental syringes. Those are some of the instruments. We have something we call cheek retractors, which will help you, which will help retract the cheeks, both cheeks. We have something we call bite blocks. These are some of the instruments we use during dental procedure. Now, let me show you each instrument one by one. With me, I'll start with diagnostic set. This is a diagnostic set according to our institution. It comprises of a mirror. This is a mirror, and I think it's good I open. Let me open this pouch. We use this pill pouch to pack this instrument for sterilization. It's a sterile pouch. The instruments that I'm going to show you, they are sterile, so there's no need of me wearing gloves. This is a mirror. As you can see, it's a mirror. This is a mirror. It has the mirror itself, then the handle. Then this is a tweezer, and this is a probe. I hope you can see a probe. Now, this one, we call it a diagnostic set. There are people who will call it consultation set, other diagnostic set, other will, those are one, at least, those are two names that can be used to describe a diagnostic set. It is used majorly to diagnose the problem which this patient has come up with. After you have done your diagnosis, we will use this one, a dental syringe. Dental syringe, you will connect your local anesthetic that you'll be using for that procedure. Use this one, dental syringe. Then we have something else. We have another instrument, the cheek retractor. It is used to retract your patient's cheeks. This one, it's a cheek retractor. This one. Then we'll have another thing, another instrument. Here, if you maybe want to measure, maybe you want to do dentures, you want to put dentures for your patients, you use this one to place that powdery thing. I'm not remembering the name, but let me. Mambo! Oh, sorry for that. This one, we call it an impression tray. You will put that powdery thing, that thing they will mix. Then this one, mostly when you want to measure your patient for dentures. Now these are called forceps. We have different types of forceps. Let me look for. You can see, very nice. This is an adult forceps, extraction forceps. This one is a pediatric. You can check the sizes. One is big, the other one is smaller. This is an adult extraction forceps. This is a ped extraction forceps. Apart from the forceps, we have filling sets. This one. Some people can add here a tweezer. And in a filling set, you have a condenser, you have a cover, you have a banisher. I'm not remembering there's another instrument, which you usually, and a tweezer, you also add a tweezer here. And you will call it a filling set. Then, and you have different types of filling sets. These all of them are metallic. Then we have files, these ones, we use them for root canal. Then we have these are called high speed. When you're doing, these are called high speed. We have high speed, and let me come up with it right. Yeah, they are hand pieces. This one, the longer one, is a high speed hand piece, and this one, it's a low speed hand piece. If you can see the difference, this one is shorter, this one is longer. They are hand pieces. Then we have these things here, matrix and band. You see here it has band, but I've picked another one. They are used together. These two are used together. Then we have here this other one. We call them scalar key and scalar something. That's another instrument, dental instruments. Now, I've shown you all those instruments. Then we have another one. I don't think I have it here. We call it a mixing set. Mixing set consists of a tweezer. I think tweezer here is the main instrument when it comes to dental. It has a spatula and a tweezer. Okay, that's what we call a mixing set. I'll look for a photo. No, and you have elevators. I've forgotten. When maybe you want to do extraction, you can use this elevator, and they come in different. You can have an apex one. You can have this street elevator. There we have. This one is there, which I was telling you. Mixing set. This is our mixing set. Now we have another instrument that you cannot forget. This one. It's called a tray. This is where you put everything. Then you give it to your doctor. Maybe suppose you're the dental assistant. I'll arrange my things here. Then this dental set, this dental tray comes with something we call, sorry for the noise. This is a divider. This is and it's removable. You see? It's removable. This is a divider, then this is a dental tray. Now here, you can put your sterile things here, different things there. Then after maybe you have used the cotton balls, you put them instead of mixing everything together. It's so good for hygiene purpose and presentation. Okay, this is a dental tray. Now, without wasting much time, let us see each other in the next video where we'll be talking about surgical counts. Okay, so bye bye.